It's Sunday morning, January 25th, 2026. Just after 8 a.m., I'm sitting in my car, the engine is running, and I'm about to hit the road for the day's shift. I won't lie to you, 8 a.m. is a bit early for me, but I'm trying to lock in into a proper morning routine and make the most of the day. Hi, and welcome to Right Also, the channel where we dive right behind the wheels of an Uber driver here in London. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Bola and I'm your host. Thank you for joining me on this early Sunday episode. I'm heading out a bit earlier than usual because later on today we have something way more important planned. Tonight we are celebrating my son's birthday. Happy birthday, son. Happy birthday, young adult. Lots of love from all of us. Today's mission is simple, a maximum of 5 hours driving time. No overdoing it, no chasing of surges, just enough trips to make it worthwhile. Fingers crossed. And then straight back home in time for family, food, and birthday vibes. The app is on, coffee kicking in. Nice. And the first ping of the day is already loading. Let's see what Sunday morning Uber shift looks like. Let's see. And whether I can beat the clock and make it home on time. First job of the day just come through is a distance of 5 miles and £9. Let's go for that. Let's go for it. Bam. Heading on to the first trip of the day. Let's get it done. Good morning. Let's get it done. Thank you. That's Michael.
Those guardrails.
Oh, okay, yeah. All right.
And just stop here.
Okay, cool.
And then I'll jump out, and then you should be able to reverse out.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much, man.
All right, cheers. First trip of the day completed and earned £9.10. That was a good start for a Sunday morning trip. Let's keep going. Trip number 2. Let's go and get the passenger. Let's go there. I thought you were somewhere there. Yeah. According to the sat now. It's Jennifer, yeah?
Yeah, Jennifer.
Thank you. Let's go.
Yeah.
It's good here?
Yeah, here's the address, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
And you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. That's trip number 2 completed and earned £4.74. Let's keep going. Next trip, trip number 3. Hello. Let me know when it's good.
Yeah, just here is fine.
Just here is fine.
Yeah, it's disabled phase. Good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's trip number 3 completed and earned £4.76. Moving on swiftly. Let's go. Next trip, trip number 4. Hello. Good to see.
I just broke down in my car.
Yes.
I'm literally where I've got to go. It's only 1 mile, yeah?
Yes.
If I give you a drink, I've got some little tools in the back. Can I put them and just bring them there to me?
Yeah, sure.
Is that okay, brother? Let me show you, because that's the only reason I could have walked there. It's just I got some material for my job. I got for myself. Let me show you.
No worries.
I'm glad it's a black man off. You know what I mean?
I do. That's the deal, isn't it?
No, when a man is stuck, a man is stuck.
I know. You're right. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Just give me that.
Perfect. Thank you.
That's for Fiona, yeah?
Sorry?
That's booked by Fiona.
Fiona, yeah.
Yes.
My wife.
Oh, that's why, yeah. I guess it's much. Let's make sure. Okay.
That's grand.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No worries at all.
Yeah.
That's trip number 4 completed and earn £8.90. Let's go and get the next customer. Let's go then. Emily, yeah?
Thank you.
That's Emily?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me know when it's good.
Yeah, here's the.
Yeah, it's good.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
I need it. Cheers. Okay. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Are you all right?
Thank you. I wish you have a beautiful day.
That's great. That's great. Yeah.
And so,
Please let me know when it's good.
It's here, please. Yeah, thank you.
Is it good here?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
Another day. The country needs some stability.
Thank you. Thank you.
Some people think a second Labour term would be.
That's trip number 6 completed and earn £7.24. Moving on to the next trip, trip number 7. Hello, is it Richard?
Yeah.
Please come in.
Anyway.
I'm very well, thank you. Take your time.
Thanks a lot.
No worries, sir.
Am I in? Am I in? He's in. Oh, Johnny. Thank you. Oh. That's lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you
indeed.
very much, sir. Thank you.
That's great.
Cheers.
Have a good day.
And
Well,
you.
no, days are over now.
Well, yeah, still long.
Yeah.
It's just to 4. Thank you very much.
Hope you get a fare takes you all the way back to Woolwich.
Hopefully. Fingers
Oh,
crossed.
my foot's stuck.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh, take your time, no worries at all. This next trip is actually a reservation. 8-mile trip, 10 minutes waiting time, because by the time I get to the customer, I'm going to be about 10 minutes early, which is fine. So 10 minutes wait, about 8 miles, £28 upfront estimate. Good one. Let's go and get the job done. Sorry about that. That's Victoria, yeah?
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Please let me know when it's good.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
No worries. Bye-bye.
Yes, okay. Yes, okay.
Just like that, the Sunday shift is over. From quiet pickups, sleepy passengers to church run. It wasn't a bad shift after all. The best part, I wrapped it up right on time and still made it home for family outings to celebrate my son's birthday. No rushing, no stressing, just shutting down the app and switching straight into that mode. Here is how the numbers stacked up today. I was online for 4 hours, 31 minutes, driving for 5 hours, 25 minutes, and completed 11 trips and earned £128, 5p. EV charging came to £12.50. If you enjoy riding along, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my Uber shifts. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.